Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jay Makore, and for today's video I'm going to show you how I contour and highlight my face, to get this kind of a look. So let's start, and before that guys, kindly don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave their comments, share this video, and if you have used any of my tutorials also leave it in the comment section. So let's start it and I take you on how I achieve this kind of a look. So I've already cleansed my face, toned my face and moisturized it, and I did my eyebrows off camera. A little bit of foundation. In this case I'm using Black Opal Even Truth. It's a shade Truly Truthful. And I'm using a beauty blender to blend in my foundation. Now I'm doing my under eye. In this case I'll use Maybelline Instant Age Eraser. The shade of the palm also can see. I use a some blender but I use this. I'll go for another under eye concealer because usually I like the Maybelline Instant Age Eraser for my eyes. I usually pat it. It just helps my eyes kind of pop out. So I'm still using a between concealer for my under eyes and forehead. For the sake of this video, because we are contouring, so I have to highlight everything perfectly. Forehead, here, blend it in. So next I'm going to my nose setting powder. Just set my under eye and set here the concealer. For this case I'm using a different blender. And for this nose setting powder, just press it in. Then I just blend it over with a fluffy brush. I'm not baking, I'm just setting. So next, we're going to contour. I'm using a Kiss Beauty Contour and Correct palette, And for a contour, I just have a fluffy contour brush. So for contouring, like you want to contour your cheek, depending on the shape of your face, it should matter on how you're contouring. You see, for me, like I have a round face, so I have to contour my cheekbone and my forehead. And when it comes to forehead, the people who have small foreheads, you don't have to contour your forehead because it will make it so small. Just like do it on your hairline. So I'll start on my forehead. And when you're contouring, just don't be afraid of the dark aspect. You just blend it in. I come to my cheekbone. Like I want my face to pop out like it looks glam. So I'll just do it like I'll not do it down on my cheekbones. I'll like do it on top of my cheekbone so that when I blend it in, it will be easy. It will just like blend perfectly. So next I'm contouring my jawline. Like you see, I want my face to pop out like a slim face. And for this case, I'll not do it like down under my jawline. I'll push it away. Next, I'm going to contour my nose. You see, I'm just contouring. I've not started like blending it in. Like I said, don't be afraid. When it comes to contouring your nose, use an angle brush. It will be so easy for you to contour. So for the nose, you just draw. Like have to be so keen on doing this. I can swing it, just from my jaws, coming down. Also, depending on how you want to contour your nose, how you want it to pop out, don't like do whatever I'm doing for maybe the outcome won't be exactly how you want it. So depending on the shape of the nose, for me, I want my nose to look thin. So next, just blending in my contour. And I'm not just brushing it off. I'm using a spatula motor on the beginning. And you see, I'm not like doing it up my cheekbones. I'm blending downward. Like, depending on the area you want your face to look small, I'll say blend it when coming to your face, like your forehead. When you have a small forehead, blend going outside, But when you want your forehead to look smaller, blend coming in. And don't just brush off, use some spatula motion. When it comes to blending your nose, I'll take my highlighter, like just to make your work easier. Take your highlighter and draw a line just across. You see those contour the two lines. Draw a line. Other side. I'll use the angle brush I used for the nose just to make everything blend in. I'll take my blender, just to take off the excess. And you can see I'm not like just brushing everything off. I'm like just blending on those two lines. line my forehead to make sure everything is well. My cheekbone, your line. So next, I'm using, I want to set my contour, but I've already contoured with a cream palette. I'm using a Pharmacy Tender Blush on in the shade number 16. So I'll just set my contour. Come to the nose, I'll go for the exact angle brush I've been using. I'll blend it in again. Make sure everything is well blended. For this case, I want my cheekbones to, come out like a contoured. You don't have to do it. I'll take a fluffy brush and take a loose powder. Make sure the brush is so fluffy. And you see, I'm sitting going outside. I'm not coming in like this. I don't want to get so hectic in blending. To the other side. I do the same on my nose. Then I'm taking my face powder. I'm using Fit Me Maybelline Matte Polish powder in the shade 330 Soapy. So the purpose of the first powder is to blend everything in. Angle brush. I'll set my makeup. I'm using a 6 color oil control matte setting spray. Give it some seconds. Give it some seconds for it to dry. For this I'm just making everything in well set. So I want to blush my cheekbones. So I just want them to pop out. And I'm using a Pharmacy Tender Blush on number 1. Like blushing on the nose. I just like that pinkish look. So next is highlighting, and I'm using LA Girl Strobe Light Strobing Powder highlighter. And for highlighting, I'm using a small fan brush. I'll start with my cheekbone. I'm just highlighting on top of the blush. actually highlighting my eyebrows. You see where exactly I'm highlighting? I'm not highlighting like how anywhere. Here, under my brow. Highlighting my forehead to have to start slowly. You don't have to do this. And for my cheeks, I like once I've highlighted, I just blend everything in. Like I just want that, I don't want that straight line of an highlighter. I just want to glow. So I just blend it in. So next, I'm highlighting my nose. And next, I'm highlighting my lips. And for my lips, I'm using a small angle brush. I want to highlight my cupid bow. Again, I use my fan brush to highlight it here. Okay guys, so there I am with my contouring and highlighting tutorial. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Bye bye, see you in my next video.